There are nights when your chest feels heavy, your eyes burn, and the only words left in your heart are, Allah, I am tired. Not tired of living. Not tired of trying. Just tired of carrying everything alone. You wake up every day with the same weight. You smile in front of people, but inside, something feels broken. You keep pushing, keep praying, keep hoping. Yet nothing seems to change. And slowly, a quiet question starts growing inside you. How much more can I take? You are not weak for feeling this way. You are human. Life tests you in ways no one else can see. Some battles stay silent. Some pain stays hidden behind your smile. People see your strength, but they do not see the nights you sit alone, asking Allah for relief. They do not hear the quiet du'as you whisper, when your heart feels like it is falling apart. And sometimes, even in your prayer, your voice feels tired. You raise your hands, but the words feel heavy. You try to focus, but your mind drifts back to your worries. You ask for ease, but the hardship continues. In those moments, it feels like you are being forgotten. But you are not. Allah sees every silent tear. He hears every word you cannot say out loud. He understands the pain you cannot explain to anyone. When you say, Allah, I am tired, you are not complaining. You are being honest. And Allah loves that honesty. He loves when you turn to Him, even when your heart feels weak. Because that tired heart still chose Him. Think about that. Out of all the places you could run to, all the distractions you could choose, you still turned to Allah. Even in your exhaustion, you still whispered His name. That is not weakness. That is faith. Sometimes, Allah does not remove the struggle right away. Not because He does not care, but because He is shaping something inside you. Strength that you cannot see yet. Patience that will carry you further than you imagine. A connection with Him that becomes unbreakable. You might feel like you are at your limit, but Allah knows your true limit, and He never burdens you beyond it. Right now, you feel tired. But this is not the end of your story. This moment is teaching you something deep. It is teaching you to rely on Allah when everything else feels unstable. It is teaching you that, even when your energy is gone, your faith can still stand. And that matters more than anything. There will come a day when this heaviness lifts. A day when your heart feels light again. When you look back and realize that every tear had a purpose. Every delay had a reason. Every moment of exhaustion brought you closer to Allah. But for now, breathe. Slow down. You do not have to carry everything at once. Speak to Allah in your own words. You do not need perfect sentences. Just be real with Him. Say, Ya Allah, you know my heart. You know my pain. I am trying, but I am tired. Give me strength. And trust that He will. Even if the situation does not change immediately, something inside you will. A calm will enter your heart. A quiet strength will grow. And step by step, you will keep moving forward. Because you are not alone in this. Allah is closer than you think. Closer than your worries. Closer than your fears. Closer than the pain that keeps you awake at night. So when you feel like giving up, remember this. Your tiredness is seen. Your struggle is counted. Your patience is never wasted. Keep going, even if it is slow. Keep praying, even if your voice feels weak. Keep trusting, even when you do not understand. Because Allah is writing something beautiful for you, even in this moment. If this message touched your heart, take a second to like this video, share it with someone who might be feeling the same, and subscribe for more reminders that bring you closer to Allah.